So you've searched everywhere and you have a really slow internet. I'm going to be showing you a few tips of how you can actually, let's say, solve your internet. So I've seen tons of videos, tons of tutorials, tons of blogs where they actually talked about the slow internet. So I'm going to be showing you just like the best tools that I have found so far. And of course, the first thing I wanted to do is to double check if the problem is actually your internet. What you wanted to do is to open a web browser. Here you wanted to run a speed test. Just type the word speed test. And here what you wanted to do is to click into the speedtest.net. You wanted to compare the results with the speed you are supposed to get from the internet provider. If the speed is much lower than expected, you wanted to continue with the next steps. The easiest fix is to restart your router. So what you need to do is just unplug the power cable, wait about 30 seconds, and you plugged it back in and give it a few minutes to fully restart. So if you see that this connection actually have many temporary network issues, and this actually gave me the, let's say, the speed that I needed to have from my provider, then I needed to go for the important part. Wi-Fi signals become weaker the farther you are from the router. So walls, furniture, or even household appliances can interfere with the signal. So try not to be that far from your router. So if your connection improves when you are closer, the issue is likely Wi-Fi coverage rather your internet speed. So if you wanted to go a little further from your Wi-Fi router, but you, let's say, wanted to get this really great speed, what I can totally suggest you is to try to buy a Wi-Fi mesh. A Wi-Fi mesh, think of it like a router, but basically what they do is to put the same Wi-Fi signal but in different places with the actual same amount of speed. This is actually going to be really great if you want to try this out. Now, next thing is to check how many devices are connected to your network. If several phone, computers, TV, or gaming consoles are streaming videos into download larger files at the same time, your internet speed can slow down significantly. So make sure that you can disconnect devices if you are using and see if there's a performance improved. Another common cause, which is really stupid, but actually it happened to me, is that I wasn't aware that I was downloading an actual video from my actual account from Steam. So I didn't know that Steam was open in the background. So what happened is that the Wi-Fi was actually being absorbed by actual Steam. So the only way that I could solve that issue is to go directly inside here, make sure that I have nothing making downloading stuffs, so I can try to solve this problem on my own, and basically they actually helped me a lot. So make sure that you don't have any application running into the background that appears directly inside here. If you wanted to see more applications that are running into the background that doesn't appear in here, try to go for Control Alt Supreme or Insert and go for Task Manager. Directly into the Task Manager, what you can do is to check out the actual applications that are running with a lot of CPU, memory, disk, and network. So in this case, Steam, as you can see, it runs almost 2 megabytes of my network, and everybody goes from almost 0. So it took me really a lot to figure that out, and it was really stupid, but actually it was really easily to solve. Now, you may notice an immediate improvement. If possible, this is stupid once again, but try to using the Ethernet cable, because a water connection is usually the fastest and more stable than Wi-Fi. And if you are running games and stuff, well, the best solution for that, and for newbies, try to focus exclusively only for the Ethernet cable. Now let's check your router's location. Again, if your router is several years old or if not placed in the corner of the house, you may not provide the best performance. Sometimes moving things with fewer feet can make a noticeable differences, right? So here's something many people overlook. Your browser can also affect how fast the internet feels, and you can focus and check out all of those directly inside the Task Manager. Something else that you can totally suggest to you is to go directly into the Device Manager, that you can focus directly into the right section and focus for Device Manager. Inside Device Manager, you want to look out for the element that says Network Adapters, and try to always select the Wi-Fi, and try to select the element that says Update Driver, so it can automatically search for drivers, and you can have like the best and the latest version of your driver, so you can get more improvements out of it. So a quick restart often fixes the problem, but if you still have some issues, you wanted to try to update the new network drivers I just told you, and if your speed is low on every device in your home, the problem might be with your internet provider, not your computer, so you want to take that in mind. So the quickly recap is to run a speed test, restart your router, move closer to the Wi-Fi. You can buy a Wi-Fi mesh as I just told you. You can reduce the number of connected devices, pause background downloads, try an Ethernet cable, and update your network driver and contact your internet provider if the problem continues. The last thing that I can be let's say recommended to you guys is that you can contact your internet provider to, let's say, update the actual network elements that they gave you, because sometimes they provide you with some elements that are really old. So the best solution is to contact them so they can give you like a new and updated network element. So or in this case, your router. So try to update your router, try to look out for the newest one, because when you pay for an actual services, you have the actual opportunity, you have the right to get the latest router of the company that they actually provide you. So with this being said, guys, we have reached the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and well, see you next time.